right? So we study the human behavior from the economic point of view. Why we do that? Resources are limited, but we are having unlimited wants and needs. So when we are going to satisfy our unlimited wants and needs with the given limited resources, we need to make choices. Those choices should be rational. In economics, it will help us to make those choices with economic sense, because resources are limited. That is true for me, true for you, true for the society, true for Sri Lanka, true for the whole globe. Right? Resources are limited. So we have to allocate these resources among different end users. I have to decide whether to have this class or not. You may have earned a foreign degree and maybe settled there in a foreign country. You may earn much better than here. Right? So if you rank the satisfaction of all these, if you think that getting into a job in Sri Lanka was the next best alternative to this because of coming to Overcast University. Of course, it may not be that much easy to understand this. I will explain this using graph when we learn about the production possibility frontiers later on. Maybe next week. Yes, next week we can do that. Till that, just remember the definition. Opportunity cost is the value of next best alternative. I will give you one more simple example. We have 3 cafeterias at Overcast University. One cafeteria where the owner is called Mr. Dilruk. He is the owner of the cafeteria. Right? So, he have decided, he has taken the decision, he has made his choice. His choice have been to operate the cafeteria to Overcast University. He is doing for the last 10-15 years. Right? So, he earned some money from that. So, his happiness is high with that. But because of that, he has given up some other activities, like he had a cafeteria in Badulla city. So now he has given that up. If he did not do this job at Overcast University, what he would have done, he would have operated that cafeteria in Badulla city. So the value, the amount of earning he could have taken from that cafeteria is taken as the opportunity cost. Right? To do this job, he has given up his job. So it has an opportunity cost. Therefore, in economics, something that you need to remember for your life, not for the degree. Always remember, whenever you do something, there's an opportunity cost for that. Whatever you do. To have this lecture today. So I had to give up many things for that. So then we take out of the best action we could have done, instead of doing this lecture, would have been my opportunity cost. Therefore, remember, for anything, we have the opportunity cost. You take whatever. Why we made the choice? Yes, exactly. Yes, Dilhan, a very correct answer is the scarcity. Because of the scarcity, when we take one action, we have to give up many others. Like time. We spent these 3 hours in front of this computer. Because of that, we had to give up many others because of this scarcity. If we had unlimited time, no issue. If we had no this space problem, if I am sitting here at the same time, if I can sit at my home, then no issue. I will be very much happy. But scarcity is there. Time is limited. We cannot use as we want. Mr. Dilruk, the cafeteria owner, he cannot run both at the same time. Your 1,000 rupee, you cannot buy lunch for 1,000 rupee. At the same time, you cannot buy the novel for 1,000 rupees. Well, right? So scarcity is there. Because of the scarcity, we have the opportunity cost. So as far as scarcity is there in the world, we have the opportunity cost. In the heaven, you don't get scarcity. So there is no opportunity cost. For God, they don't have a scarcity. So they don't have opportunity cost. Just because they came to Sri Lanka, they don't lose anything. But if I visit to a field, for a field visit, I'm losing all my teaching at Lhasa University. For gods, of course not. They don't have scarcity. They have unlimited time, unlimited resources. But we have scarcity. So opportunity cost is there. So remember, for your lifetime, whatever the things you do in the university, in your workplace, in this country, we have the opportunity cost.